In our own research at Volvo Trucks, we have found that 15 to 25% of the victims in heavy truck accidents are pedestrians, bikers or motorbikers. A substantial part of these accidents could be avoided if people in the traffic environment had a better understanding of a truck driver's so-called blind spots. To see and keep track of everything around your truck is challenging, even for the most experienced driver. Many of these accidents occur at low speeds, and limited visibility is one of the main causes. An especially dangerous situation is the passenger side turn. Here, accidents can occur when vulnerable road users or cars are in the area alongside the passenger side of the truck. Naturally, the responsibility lies with the truck driver, but it's important to know that when trucks turn, they need a lot of space since they can't shortcut the curb. In some cases, that means they have to use both lanes to get extra room to get around the corner. Remember that if you can't see the truck driver through the windshield, windows, or in the mirrors of the trucker can't see you either.